Birds are considered the modern descendants of dinosaurs, specifically theropod dinosaurs. Fossil evidence suggests that birds evolved from small, feathered theropods during the Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago. One of the key pieces of evidence linking birds to dinosaurs is the Archaeopteryx, a transitional fossil that had both reptilian and avian characteristics such as teeth, claws on its wings, and feathers. Additionally, many theropod dinosaurs, including velociraptors, had feathers, hollow bones, and similar lung structures to modern birds. Modern birds inherited several traits from their dinosaur ancestors, including a high metabolism, sophisticated respiratory systems, and the ability to lay eggs. Scientists also believe that certain behaviors, such as nest building and parental care, were present in their dinosaur ancestors. This evolutionary connection makes birds the only living descendants of dinosaurs, meaning that, in a way, dinosaurs are not entirely extinct. They just took to the skies.